Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this mobile phone to TV. I would be showing two methods. Method 1. First let me go to mobile phone, then open the settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on Wi-Fi. And here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Home Wi-Fi. Then go to TV, go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to network and internet, and here you can see I have connected this TV to same Wi-Fi network, home Wi-Fi. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then go back to mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on connection and sharing, go to screencast, tap here, tap on search for display devices, tap here. Now this mobile phone is searching for Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see Google TV. That is the name of this TV. This means this mobile phone has detected this Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name. Tap here. Tap on entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's connected. See, if you want to switch display to full screen in TV, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way you would be able to switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Here you can see stop screencast, tap here. Done. This is a method 1. Method 2. Go to mobile phone, then open Google Play Store. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then we need to create one home. Tap on this create home button. Here we can enter name for the home. Let me enter home 2. Then tap on save. Here we can set address for the home. Let me skip this. Tap on skip. Then tap on continue without address. Now it's looking for devices. We can also cancel this step. Tap on cancel. Done. Here on top you can see home 2. Now home is ready. Tap on this all devices tab. Tap here. Under all devices you can see local devices. Under that you can find Google TV. This is the name of this TV. This means this Google Home app has detected Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap here. Select entire screen. Then tap on start casting. See, it's working. This is a method 2. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Tap on this TV name. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are the two methods to connect this mobile phone to TV. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.